I'm gonna go just to show you. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shawn. So today I want to share with you my new desk, brand new desk. It's for my productivity, my comfort, my back pain, my mental sanity, anything else like organization. I don't know, that part I'm still having trouble, but I got it at Ikea. It's called Skarsta. Kind of funny name, kind of cool name actually. Skarsta. It's like a battleship. It's a $269 for 63 by 31, so it's pretty deep and it's pretty wide. Number one reason why I got this desk is so that I can stand up or sit down to give my back relief. And I used to use one of those like a small couch type of chair, which is kind of uncomfortable, super low at later time. But I don't know why I didn't spend this money or invest in something that I use every day. But now I'm glad I did. I didn't plant the trees 10 years ago, but I planted it today, meaning I did it. The other reason is that I wanted to have a width so that I could put two computer monitors and the speakers, as you can see, monitor two, and then there's a speaker and then speaker, because I do like good audio, good speaker system when I watch like YouTube or like listen to music type of thing. That's important to me. So I could have gone with 47-inch wide one, but I think that one is perfect for one big monitor with the two speakers. But when you have to put two monitors, which I find it very productive. So if you're looking for like a productivity little tip that could save you some time when you're copying and pasting or comparing houses or comparing notes, double monitor is really crucial in my opinion. I'll just show you the whole thing. My goal was to have this desk very organized like some of those YouTube guys, but I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they keep the desk that perfect and clean and neat and well organized. This is my next challenge, to be able to keep the desktop clean. But basically it has a crank. Yeah, it's kind of dark so you can't see, but it's a mess. It's like the wires I need to organize. There's like books and papers everywhere on the floor. That's my next one. So I put this crank on the left side so that when I'm sitting down, I use my left hand to go up or down, right? And this is currently the sitting position. This is close to the lowest part. And let's see how long it takes to take it to my standing. So I'm gonna go just to show you. I didn't want to get the electronic ones because I mean they're convenient, but I kept wondering, what if it gets stuck in the middle of the desk and then electronic goes like fried, and then I can't fix it. It's like electronic cars, it goes wrong. Circuit board. I'm like, well, this is a good workout, guys. My left hand is non-dominant hand, so my non-dominant hand gets some exercise and good cardio. We're getting there. So how long did it take? I'm going to measure the time and show it to you on the screen, but it's about there. Yeah. So when I stand comfortably, my arm is about 90 degrees. Maybe this is a little too high. So now my desk is a standing desk after a little bit of human effort, my non-dominant arm. So I had it for about a week. It took me about an hour to put it together, probably a little bit less, but it wasn't that hard. Another thing I bought is this chair. So this is like Staples. It's called Hyken. Yeah, I believe I spent $150 using something called a honey coupon. It's like mesh chair. What I really like about it is it's surprisingly soft, this material. And then because it's so breathable, I don't feel that heat on my butt or on my back. And it has the headrest, which is super comfortable. I really like it. I mean, I could have spent $1,000 or $1,500 easily on a chair, because there are those chairs out there. In my opinion, this chair checks off about 90%, maybe 85% of those, high-end ones, functionality-wise, feel-wise, the comfort and everything. So you can spend easily like $3,000 on the desk and the chair. But I just didn't see the need for that. I spent, let's see, $270 and then $150. So it's like what, 3, 4. How can I do math? $420. Am I right? Yeah. So $420, definitely it checks off all the boxes that I was looking for. I'll be probably using this for 10 years or more. I don't know why I didn't invest that kind of money into something like this. Maybe one of the reasons is because I didn't know what I wanted and not making the decision, not pulling the trigger. I should be invest in something if I use it every day. Yeah, so I think I made the best investment for my back, my butt, my mental state. In fact, the chair is so comfortable. I actually sat down yesterday all day long. I didn't have a back pain or tight legs issues, but I didn't use the standing part, which is kind of embarrassing. But at least I have the option. When I want to stand, some days I get more creative, more productive, more spontaneous when I'm standing up. It feels like my brain runs a little bit faster than sitting down. But other days I want to just kind of like focus on things that are in calm way, gather my thoughts and going kind of deep. It's easier for me to sit down and do those tasks. So the next challenge is to clean my room. I don't know, like I said, those YouTube guys, they keep the room so neat and tight, but right now I'm going to show you. This is really embarrassing, but this is reality. Well, I'm in the middle of like moving the desk, so yeah. There's piles of guitars, piles of cables, papers, more guitars. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. So I'm going to share with you when I find a way to organize this big mess. If you work at home a lot, go ahead and invest in something like this, whether it's electronic one or the cranking one. The chair, super important. Hopefully this was helpful, you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
It doesn't look